Hi there, want to upgrade your headlight bulbs? Disappointed with halogen high beams? Want to upgrade to LED high beams? I have a little problem. Let me show you. Look at the difference between DRLs, the halogen one and the LED one. This is what I think that it might work. Let's open. So these are Xenon Depot LED Pros with DRL drivers. Let's get into the install. Okay, let's open the box. Inside the box, you have the installation guide, two LED bulbs, and the LED driver. We are not going to use this one, we are going to use the provided DRL driver. This is the Extreme Pro DRL LED driver. So we are going to use this, not this. Okay, right now we are going to do the install. The dust cap here is for the low beam, and the second bulb would be a high beam. So we are going to remove this and replace it with the LED. So if you want to make things easier, you can remove this plastic piece by removing these tabs. So today I'm not going to use any tools, so I'm just going to do this install very easily without using any tools. So I'm going to twist it anti-clockwise and just wiggle a little bit. And you have your high beam bulb out. Just try not to touch. It comes easily like this. You just have to press this little tab here and the bulb will come out. Just keep it safely. Take your driver, plug in to that end. So I'm going to manage these wires later. Now I'm going to insert this bulb. See how easy that is? Now just connect these two ends together like that. Let's manage the wires later. First let's test if these bulbs are working. If it's not working, we're going to remove the tab, change it the other side. Okay? When you are done testing the bulb, you can adjust these heatsink so that the heat will dissipate. Now you can use your provided zip ties to manage your wiring. So I have organized my wiring with the provided zip ties. So I'm going to do the exact same to the other side and see how the lights would be. Another tip, when you are installing for a 4Runner as a high beam, you don't need this grommet. You only need the driver. So you can just rip off this grommet So twist it anti-clockwise, press the tab right in the middle and just pull the bulb out. And you can use your driver side here, click it there. Like that. So again, when you install the bulbs, make sure the bulbs sit straight. If the bulbs are not straight, I mean if it is not this way, make sure you check all your tabs whether the tabs are inserted correctly. If not, that means you need to adjust the bulb angle. You can use this provided Allen key on the collar of the bulb to loosen that nut and make sure the bulb sits straight. Normally you don't have to do anything, you just make sure the tabs are correct so the bulbs will sit straight. Check both the sides, otherwise it will scatter light everywhere. So you can see the difference between DRLs. Right here, this is the Xenon Depot Extreme Pro LEDs. Right now it's running on DRL mode. Very nice, very dim, perfect for DRLs. So right now they are in high beam. You can see the Extreme Pro Xenon Depot LED has a really bright light. I'm very happy with the output. Okay, right now we are going to test the light output. First, I'm going to do the low beams. The low beams are Headlight Revolution SV4 bulbs. So these are the low beams. Let me switch to the Xenon Depot Extreme Pro high beams. Yes, a nice hotspot right in the front. So these are the high beams, Xenon Depot Extreme Pro LEDs, and that's the low beams. Yeah, right now this is at the DRLs, so obviously you can't see much at night time. So DRLs, low beams, high beams.